Studying for exams is easy, but managing the stress is really difficult. In this video, I am going to talk about how to manage exam stress. I am going to divide this video in three parts. The first part is going to be planning, the second part is going to be preparation, and the third part will include two different guided meditations. Let's go into the details. Planning is extremely important, and if you're watching this video way before your exam, say month or a few months, then you have plenty of time to plan your schedule, what you're going to study when. So make a proper timetable for it. Especially prioritize the subjects which you find more difficult. Prioritizing is a very important part of your planning and scheduling. And the second step in planning is planning your day. Let us say you have 8 hours in the day for studies. You set aside 1 hour for your meals and 1 hour for rest and recreation. Yes, I'm giving you 1 full hour for meals. Now we have left 6 hours. Of those 6 hours, you need to set aside blocks of time for your studies. You have to ensure that you study in large blocks of time, so at least for 50 minutes to 1 hour, and then you take a 5 minutes break between each block. Now, second part is preparation. There are some tools or techniques which you can use to optimize your studies, whatever you are studying, to make the most of it. So the first principle that I would suggest you follow is the Pareto principle, or in common language it is called the 80-20 principle. When you are studying a chapter, once you finish reading it or studying it once, I would want you to underline or set aside 20% of the chapter, because according to the Pareto principle, 20% of your effort gives you 80% of results, and the rest of 80% of your effort gives 20% of the results. So now you need to bring out the 20% in your chapter or in your subject, which is going to give you the 80% of results. For that, you need to underline or write it down separately in another notebook. This is going to be your material that you are going to study at the last minute, a few hours before the exam. Second rule is the 20-20-20 rule. When you are sitting and studying, every 20 minutes, take a break of 20 seconds and look at something which is 20 feet away. It would be better if you are able to look at something green like a tree or a garden, or you may even look at the sky, which is a little farther away than 20 feet. Now, the third thing is ensure that you prioritize your studying very well. Your blocks of time you have to divide in such a way that the subjects which are difficult for you get larger blocks, and the subjects which are easier to you can take smaller blocks. It's important to study in a big block of time because that gives you enough time to assimilate what you have studied. Now coming to the third part, the slowing down part. Before we go further, I want to tell you this, that it is very important for you to have studied to be able to manage your stress. If you have not studied well, nobody can help you manage that stress. Moving further, we are talking about the guided meditations that I had spoken about. One is a short meditation to be done just before the exams, and another is a visualization meditation that you can do a day before the exams begin. The first one is, this is going to be a 5-minute meditation which will not last long, which will help you relax. Why do we need to do this meditation? Let us understand. If you go to a lake and look into the lake, you see your own reflection. Now, if you throw a stone or if you muddy the water with your hand, you will not be able to see the reflection. The same is with our mind. Your mind needs to be calm for you to recollect what you have studied. So you need to calm down your mind. Just when the ripples calm down, you are again able to see your reflections in the lake. Same way, when your mind calms down, your recollecting power becomes better. You remember better and more clear. So that is why you need to do meditation just before the exam starts. How are we going to do this? So there are two things about it. If you have 5 minutes, you will do actual meditation. If you do not have 5 minutes, then at the end of this meditation, I will give you an anchor, an action, which will help you relax instantly, because you will associate that action with the 5-minute meditation that we are going to do now. Let us begin with the 5-minute meditation that you can do just before your paper. You may or may not remove your specs. Just sit comfortably wherever you are. Close your eyes and begin with taking a deep breath. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out, empty your lung. Breathe in one more time. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out. One last time. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, and breathe out. Bring your concentration to your eyes. Relax your eyes. Relax your eyebrows and the muscles around your eyes. Move your focus to your neck. Relax your neck. Relax all the muscles, all the bones, all the glands, and the skin of this part of your body. Moving on, focus on your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Relax the muscles, relax the bones, relax the joints, relax the skin, and feel the relaxation taking over your body. Say to yourself in your mind, I am relaxed. One more time in your mind, say it slowly and feel it. I am relaxed. One last time, say to yourself, I am relaxed. And now, feel the relaxation taking over your body. Your body is calm, your mind is alert and awake, and you remember everything clearly and easily. Now, we will come out of the meditation. So take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out, breathe out. Now gently open your eyes. In this meditation, I said one line which you have to remember. You have to say in your mind, I am relaxed. Now this is going to be your anchor. So when you are in the exam hall, you will just close your eyes and you will say to yourself 3 times in your mind, I am relaxed. In your mind, I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Now your mind will associate this sentence with relaxing your body, and your mind will become calm. This is the anchor that you have to use just before the exam if you do not have time to do the actual meditation that I just did with you. When your mind is calm, you recollect much better and you are able to reproduce more clearly and lucidly. Meditation is a very powerful tool and I hope you use it to the best of your advantage. Now I'm going to take you through another meditation. This meditation you can do on the day before your exams begin. This is a visualization meditation. So get into a comfortable position, take off your specs, take off a ring or belt which is binding, and close your eyes. We will begin by taking 3 deep breaths. Breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out. Breathe out. Again, breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out. Breathe out. Last time, breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out. Breathe out. Anytime during the meditation, if you are uncomfortable, you may change your position. However, do not open your eyes. Now you can breathe in a relaxed manner and bring your focus to your head. Relax your head, relax your forehead, relax your temples, relax your face, your eyebrows, eyes, muscles around the eyes, your facial muscles, your mouth. Relax your jaw. Our jaw becomes clenched when we are tensed, so deliberately relax your jaw and place all these parts of your body in a deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Bring your focus to your neck. Relax your neck muscles, relax the bones, relax the joints, relax the glands in this part of your body. Bring your focus to your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Put away the baggage that you've been carrying, baggage of guilt, baggage of responsibility, baggage of the work. Just put it down for a little while and relax your shoulders. Relax all the muscles, all the joints, even the skin, and place these parts of your body in a deep, deep state of relaxation. Bring your focus to your arms. Relax your upper arms, relax your elbows, relax your forearms, relax your wrists, relax your hands, right up to the tips of your fingers. Bring your focus to your back. Relax your upper back, relax your middle back, relax your lower back, relax your whole spinal cord, and place these parts of your body in a deep, deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Bring your focus to your chest. Relax your chest wall, relax your ribs, relax the organs inside your chest. Relax your heart, relax your lungs while allowing them to function normally. Send a small note of gratitude to your heart and lungs for giving you life and health. They have been functioning from the day you were born to give you health and life. Now bring your focus to your abdomen. Relax the abdominal wall. Relax all the organs inside your abdomen. Relax your stomach, relax your kidneys, relax your liver, relax your spleen, relax your bladder. Relax all the organs inside your abdomen while allowing them to function normally. Bring your focus to your waist. Relax all the organs in this area. Relax the bones, relax the joints, relax the skin, and place these parts of your body in a deep, deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Bring your focus to your thighs. Relax your thighs. Relax the muscles, relax the bones, relax the skin. Bring your focus to your knees. Relax your knees. Relax the knee joints. Bring your focus to your lower legs, your ankles, your feet, and your toes right up to the tips of your toes. Relax all these parts deeply and place them in a deep, deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Now your whole body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes is deeply relaxed, and it is heavy, so heavy that you can hardly move. However, your mind is alert and awake. It is in the alpha state, and it can create your reality. So let us use this alpha state to create good results for your exams. Now I want you to visualize in front of you your mark sheet post your exams that you are appearing for. Your name on the top of the mark sheet, your school's or college's name, or whichever exam you are giving, the name of that exam, the subjects to the left, and the column to the right which shows your marks. Now I want you to carefully and slowly fill in marks for each subject, the marks that you want. Be very careful, because whatever you put in over there, you will manifest. So slowly, one by one, put the marks of each subject with your own hand. I will give you a minute to fill in this mark sheet. Now that you have filled out these marks, visualize it's signed by the person who is going to give you the marks, as if it is a real mark sheet. And keep this image in your mind. Make sure that you remember this very, very well. I want you to visualize this before every exam, focusing on the subject of that day. This mark sheet is going to be your mark sheet. You are going to manifest these marks, the ones that you want. See the happy smile on your face while you hold this mark sheet that you want. Now that you have experienced getting the marks that you want, all you need to do is go ahead and get them. Okay, now I want you to come out of this state. So I'm going to bring you back to this room. Begin by taking 3 deep breaths. Breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out. Breathe out. One more time, deep breath. Breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out. Breathe out. Last time, take a deep breath. Breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out. Breathe out. Now gently rub your hands together and make them warm and place them on your eyes. One more time. Slowly open your eyes. The second visualization that I did may be done only once, and the short meditation that we did earlier, you can do every morning before the exam. I hope you use the meditations in this video to achieve your greatest potential. All the best to you. See you in my next video.